I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. Jane brushes her teeth before breakfast. We have cereal for breakfast. I commute to work by bus. I check emails in the morning. Jane takes a shower before heading out. She walks our dog in the park. We start work at 9 a.m. I have coffee during breaks. We have lunch together at noon. I answer phone calls at work. Jane finishes work by 5 p.m.
We cook dinner together. Dave watches TV after dinner. We go for an evening walk. I read a book before bed. We set an alarm for the next day. We turn off lights at 10 p.m. We say goodnight to each other.
I stretch in the morning. Nancy listens to music while working. We take short breaks during the day. My brother uses public transportation. They have a team meeting on Mondays. She checks social media in the evening. We grocery shop on weekends. He exercises for 30 minutes. My friends clean the house on Sundays. I reply to messages in the afternoon. She has a salad for lunch. We walk the kids to school. John attends a yoga class. They prepare dinner together.
I take a nap after lunch. Jane reads news articles online. We call our parents on Sundays. The kids watch a movie on Fridays. I write in a journal at night. She goes for a run in the evening. We have a weekly family dinner. He works on a hobby on weekends. They go to the gym together. I iron clothes on Sundays. She attends dance classes. We plan meals for the week. He attends a language class. They do laundry on Saturdays.